Hey everyone, I'm Sean. I specialize in designing custom motorcycle parts and developing motorcycle-related products. In our line of work, 3D scanners have been a total game changer. The very first scanner I ever used was actually from Revopoint, and some of you might have seen the projects and posts I've shared on social media. The 3D scanning technology has come a long way in just a few years. We've gone from needing to spray everything white before scanning with structured light scanners, to now being able to scan black objects directly with laser scanners. It's seriously impressive progress. Now, Revopoint wasn't the first company to develop this kind of tech, but they've made it way more accessible. Their scanners give you an almost industrial-level experience at a much more reasonable price. Without that, a lot of small studios like mine just wouldn't be able to afford this kind of gear. Those high-end systems are crazy expensive. I'm making this video because I was super honored to be invited by Revopoint to test out their top-tier scanner, the Trackit Trackit system. So I thought I'd take this chance to share my real-world experience with you all. Alright, so I've just received the equipment for testing, and it came in 2 big cases. Honestly, I was pretty blown away when I first opened them. This setup is no joke, it really shows something. The whole system is designed to be portable, packed into 2 wheeled cases like luggage, which makes it a lot easier to carry around. Together, the cases weigh about 30 kilograms, so having them in this suitcase definitely makes sense. Let's start by unboxing and checking out what's inside. This first one is the tracker case, which is really the heart of the entire Trackit scanner set. Right here, we have the calibration pole, which is used to calibrate the system before you start scanning. I'll show you how that works a bit later. Next up is the tracker main unit, and I've got to say, the quality is seriously impressive. You can really tell they've used high-quality materials. Also inside are 2 tripods, one for the calibration pole and the other for the tracker main unit. Now let's check out the second case, which holds the scanner main unit. What I have got here is a test unit provided by Revopoint, so the final retail version will likely come with more accessories. When you open the box, the first thing you'll notice is a large calibration board, which I assume plays a key role in the scanning process. It looks like it's made of carbon fiber, likely to keep the weight down. There's also a positioning mat included, with a printed layout showing exactly where each piece of equipment should go. It's a thoughtful addition that really simplifies the setup. You will also find a variety of cables and USB connectors. One nice touch is that everything is color-coded for different uses, which makes it easier to avoid plugging things in the wrong way. It is a small but very considerate detail. And now, here it is, the main star of the show, the scanner. You also get a tripod for the scanner, along with 2 auto-calibrating dual-axis gimbals. Each one is clearly labeled, one is for the scanner, and the other is for the tracker. They both have Type-C ports on the back, which likely allow them to auto-rotate during the scanning process. There are also several magnetic anchor blocks included, which assist with positioning and tracking during the scan. And you might have noticed, we finally don't see that famous David head that's been with us for years. It's officially retired now. Taking a closer look at the scanner itself, it's got a sleek, futuristic design. It's equipped with 30 blue fill lasers, and if I'm remembering correctly, it also features a depth camera that supports deep scanning mode. Just based on the hardware specs alone, this thing is a beast. Despite that, the scanner is surprisingly lightweight, so it should be really comfortable and easy to handle during the scanning process. That's it for today's unboxing. The Trackit scanner set should be available for pre-order online by now. I'll be sharing more hands-on videos soon, covering real-world usage, scan results, and my personal thoughts. I'll do my best to push this scanner to its limits and give you a clear look at what it's truly capable of. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one coming soon.